Alright, here's another example of I flew to M57. I'm using my AGc camera. I have running at 5 seconds exposure, gain of 10. I'm running on a SkyProdigy Alt-Az mount, which is subject to field rotation and little jitters and tracking sometimes. I've got the histogram set at 2 to 15. And you can kind of see here what image I get at this setting. I will take a snap of that as a comparison. Now I'm going to show the align stacking ability of the new MallinCamSky software. I'm going to go ahead and stack up to 10 frames. And I've got deep sky stacking. I need to align the frames, particularly because it's an alt-azimuth mount. I'm going to enable that, and we've got plenty of stars in the star field. You should see for the align to work. It should, after the first exposure, it does some analysis. It said, yep, I got it, and now it starts stacking, and as you can see, it starts getting a brighter image, and you begin to see the nebula showing up a little better. To 6, and of course the stars become more prominent too. Notice that it's staying aligned fairly well too. It's pretty humid night, not the best seeing conditions, but I'm only doing it to test out this new stacking and alignment feature. Alright, there we go. We've got our 10. Let's just do a capture. So comparing 10 versus none, it definitely brings out the detail. If I've tried like M51 but did not have enough stars in the overall field, and it would not align and stack. So you've got to find a target, and you've got to adjust your gain, exposure, and the histogram to get enough stars showing up so it can align. That's the key to this. But it sure makes it like a lot more powerful telescope and mount with this new feature.